I'll melt with you kasi every time kasi na nakikita ko si Jubel, very ganun siya. When you see someone na gusto mong i-keep, gusto mong i-love, nagbabago yung mood mo. So yung comfortability, yung happiness, anti-stress, siya yun. Even that melt with you, pag nakikita ko siya, she speaks the song itself.
Moving forward, using all my breath. Making love to you was never second best. I saw the world rushing all around your face.
For the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Mark and Jobel Marinho!
I'll stop the world and melt with you. You've seen the difference and it's getting better all the time. There's nothing you and I won't do. I'll stop the world and melt with you. I'll stop the world and melt with you. Let's stop the world. I'll stop the world and melt with you. Let's stop the world. I'll stop the world. There is no right.
Childhood friend si Jubel, parehas kami ng community na nilakihan, and at the same time parehas kami mahilig sa church. Doon ko siya nakilala, family friend siya in fact. Both my tita and yung mom niya is good friends. Then parehas kami kasali sa isang scholarship program, that's why nakagraduate kami together.
I carry with me a part of us. There's nothing I could do or have ever done could bring me closer to being known. The one we all long to be. The why.
Ama naming makapangyarihan, iyong inalagaan ang pag-iisang dibdib ay maging sagisag ng pag-ibig ni Kristo sa kanyang banal na sambayanan. Pinagdurutong ng buhay ni na Mark at Jubel, ngayon maako sa banal na tipan ng kasal.
Bel, happy 11th anniversary today. Masaya ako na each year, iba't ibang way kung paano natin sineselebrate. But this year is the happiest. As I commit to you, everyday naman, ikikip ko yung love ko sa'yo, promise ko sa'yo na mamahalin ka.
Place we're all hiding. Getting closer to being known.
10 taon na nakakaraan ng pareho nating pagdesisyonan na simulan itong muli. At sa eksaktong araw ngayon, haharapin naman natin yung panibagong yugto, ang panibagong hamon sa pagsasama natin.
Holiday comes fire, so many comes the sea. When we are known.
Ito na to, mahal.
Tara! Now that you will become my wife, I'll double the effort to become a better person for our growth and for our future family. Patuloy kitang mamahalin katulad ng una kitang makita. I will continue to max all my effort to make you happy because you deserve nothing in this lifetime but love and a genuine happiness. Ikaw ang nag-iisang tiyak sa isang libong bulan. I love you, Jubel, forever and always. And happy 11th anniversary. Love, Mark.
Mahal, maraming salamat sa pagpapagaan ng mga mabibigat na bagay, sa pagpapadali ng mahihirap na sitwasyon. Naniniwala ako, magiging mabuti kang ama at mapagmahal na asawa sa bubuin nating pamilya. At gaya nga ng sinabi mo, happy 11th anniversary dahil ilang oras na lang kailangan mong tandaan na ito naman yung ating magiging wedding anniversary. Mahal na mahal kita. See you mamaya.